Are you looking for the best 3D printer for miniatures? Or are you just trying to make a mini version of yourself to do your chores? Either way, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're shrinking down the world of 3D printing to focus on the absolute best of miniature printers. Let's dive in to see which printers can make your tiny dreams a big reality. Starting at number 3, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Personally, I think this printer is a fantastic option for those looking to upgrade from FDM to LCD printers. It boasts a 6.6-inch 4K HD monochrome LCD screen. This means you can expect incredible detail in your miniatures. In terms of build volume, the Photon Mono 2 offers a generous space of 6.50 by 5.63 by 3.50 inches. This is slightly larger than its counterpart, the Photon Mono 4K, making it ideal for both saving space and printing larger models. One standout feature is the upgraded Li-Turbo Matrix light source, which provides a more uniform parallel light, reducing layer lines and grid effects for smoother model surfaces. The laser-engraved platform is another plus, ensuring excellent adhesion and a higher printing success rate. And the Photon Workshop 3.0 software is a game-changer with its user-friendly interface and enhanced features. At a discounted price of $240, it's definitely the best budget option out there. Coming in at number 2 is the Elegoo Mars 4 Max. This printer steps it up with a 9.1-inch 6K mono LCD screen and a printing speed of up to 70 mm per hour. The XY resolution of 34 microns means your miniatures will have even finer details and a smoother surface. Its large build volume of 7.71 by 482 by 5.91 inches allows for printing larger models or multiple parts in one go, which is great for productivity. The COB Plus refractive light source is a significant feature here, ensuring a more uniform light distribution. The heat dissipation is efficient too, thanks to the double fan cooling system, which prolongs the printer's life. Elegoo's Voxel Dance Tango software, with its dynamic and static printing modes, offers versatility in printing. At $357, it's a bit pricier, but for the quality and features, I think it's well worth the investment. And now, the top spot goes to the Anycubic Photon Mono X 6KS. This printer is a powerhouse with its 9.1-inch 6K high-definition monochrome screen. The printing size is impressive, offering a volume of 7.71 by 4.82 by 7.87 inches. You get a maximum volume of 4.76 liters, which is fantastic for large-scale prints or batch printing. The upgraded Li-Turbo Matrix light source and precision optical lens work wonders in removing layers and grid lines, creating models with exceptionally smooth surfaces. Its dual linear Z-axis rail ensures stability and precision in printing, and the laser-engraved printing platform enhances model adhesion, reducing the chances of warping. At a 21% discount, bringing it down to $340, the Photon Mono X 6KS offers outstanding value for its price, especially considering its high resolution and large build volume. In my opinion, any of these 3 printers would be a great addition to your miniature printing setup. Each has its own unique strengths, so your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you're ready to make a purchase, click the link in the description or scan the QR codes on screen for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create more content like this. Catch you in the next video.